Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Cascade. I'm Eric, and today I want to share something with you that can truly change your English forever. It's not a textbook, it's not a grammar rule, it's not even a teacher. It's something much smaller, much simpler, and much more powerful. Are you ready? It's just 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 10 minutes. Imagine if something shorter than your morning coffee could completely transform the way English feels in your mouth, in your brain, and in your life. Today, I'll show you exactly how. Let me begin with a quick question. Have you ever said, "I understand English, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out"? If you nodded, you're not alone. Millions of learners know the grammar, know the words, and yet when it's time to speak, their mind freezes. That frustration is real. But here's the good news. Fluency doesn't come from knowing. It comes from doing. And 10 minutes a day of the right kind of doing will unlock your voice. Now, why 10 minutes? Because your brain doesn't learn languages through rare, long study sessions. It learns through small, regular contact. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush once a week for an hour. You brush every day for a few minutes. That's what keeps your teeth clean, and language is the same. 10 minutes a day keeps your brain in English mode. Over 1 month, those 10 minutes become 5 solid hours of practice. 5 hours of real speaking, listening, and learning without ever opening a grammar book. Doesn't that sound easier? So how do we use those 10 minutes? I'll break it into 5 easy steps. Each step is just 2 minutes. 5 steps, 2 minutes each. Together, that's 10 minutes. You can do them at home, in a park, on a bus, even in your kitchen. No teacher, no classroom, no expensive course required. Just you, your voice, and your daily habit. Step 1, listening. For 2 minutes, listen to something simple in English. A short podcast, a short video, even this episode again. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Instead, listen to the rhythm, the melody, the way the words connect. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. English has a rhythm. English has a melody. Good. Do you feel the music inside the language? That's what trains your ear. Step 2, speak out loud. Take a phrase you just heard and copy it. Copy the pronunciation, the speed, the melody. It might feel strange at first, but remember, speaking is a physical skill, like playing piano or riding a bike. Your mouth has to move. Try it now. Repeat after me. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. Say it again and again. Feel your mouth shaping the words. This is how your muscles learn English. Step 3. Personalize. This is where it becomes yours. If the audio says, "I usually wake up early," change it. Say, "I usually wake up at 7." Or, "I don't usually wake up early on weekends." Make it about your real life. Now you try. Think of one sentence about your morning and say it in English out loud. Did you do it? Excellent. That's how you stop memorizing and start owning the language. Step 4, free speaking. For 2 minutes, talk without reading or copying. Describe your day. Talk about what you see right now. Say what you plan for tomorrow. The topic doesn't matter. What matters is flow. Keep speaking, even if it's slow, even if it's messy. Imagine a river. It doesn't stop, it just flows. Your English should be like that. Right now, describe the room around you in English. 1 sentence, 2 sentences, keep going. Don't stop. Step 5, reflect. For the last 2 minutes, think about what felt easy and what felt hard.
Which words came quickly? Which phrases felt heavy? Don't worry about writing everything down, just think. This reflection organizes your brain and prepares you for tomorrow. So ask yourself now, what word or phrase do you want to remember from today? Say it out loud once more. And there you have it, 10 minutes. Listening, speaking, personalizing, free talking, reflecting. 10 minutes that can change everything. Now let me give you 3 warnings, because many learners fail at this method. Mistake number 1, skipping days. Fluency grows from daily contact. If you stop for 1 or 2 weeks, you lose momentum. Solution? Even if you're busy, do 5 minutes. A short version is better than nothing. Mistake number 2, waiting for perfection. If you wait until your grammar is perfect or until you have 2 hours free, you will never start. Progress, not perfection. Remember, fluency is messy, and that's okay. Mistake number 3, practicing without emotion. If your practice is boring, your brain won't care. The solution? Choose topics you love. Talk about your hobbies, your dreams, your goals. Make English personal. Let me share a small story. A student of mine, Maria, used to study English 2 hours every Saturday. She memorized words, read grammar, but never spoke. For months, she stayed stuck. Then she switched to 10 minutes every day. She listened, spoke, personalized, reflected. In 3 months, she told me, "Eric, for the first time, I spoke English without thinking." That's the power of daily small practice. That's the power waiting for you. Now let's pause for a reflective question. What's one small 10-minute habit you can add today? Could you listen while you cook? Could you speak while you walk? Could you practice while brushing your teeth? Think about it, because your answer is your beginning. Before we finish, I want to give you a reverse gift, a phrase you can use right now. Repeat after me. Every day, in every way, my English gets better and better. Say it again. One more time. Good. That's your mantra. Carry it with you. Whisper it in the morning. Say it before bed. Let your brain believe it. So, my friends, now you know the secret. Not a magic app, not a grammar rule, not a giant textbook. Just 10 minutes a day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. Do this for 1 week, you'll feel the change. Do it for 1 month, others will notice. Do it for 6 months, your fluency will explode. Remember, English isn't learned in a classroom. It's built in small daily moments, on a bus, in your kitchen, or during a walk. Start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin. And until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. This is Eric from English Cascade. Bye for now.